Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how you can make these delicious chocolate Rice Krispie treats. They literally take no time to make and are so good. You want to start off by taking 1 tablespoon of butter in a saucepan and just melt it down. Once it's nice and melted, you want to add in some chocolate chips. I used milk chocolate because I like my Rice Krispies to be on the sweeter side, but you can use semi-sweet or dark chocolate as well. You want to just stir everything on medium-low heat until the chocolate is nice and melted. You can add more or less depending on how chocolatey you want your Rice Krispies to be. Once the chocolate is melted, you want to add your marshmallows. You can use any size or whatever type of marshmallows you have, and then just start mixing everything together. You want to keep stirring this because sometimes the marshmallows do end up hardening or sticking to the pan. So just keep everything moving and keep it mixing on medium-low heat until everything is all nice and melted. It should look something like this, and then you know you're almost there. Just keep stirring and make sure everything is nicely combined. In a separate bowl, I have my Rice Krispie cereal. I have around 2 cups of this, and I'm just gonna add my marshmallow and chocolate mixture straight into there. This is where you have to work fast because it can harden really fast at this stage. So just mix everything up really well until all the Rice Krispies are coated in the chocolate mixture. I also added some chocolate chips for the extra crunch and the extra chocolatiness, but you don't have to. Once it's all nicely combined in a baking pan, you want to line it up with some parchment paper, and then just add your Rice Krispie mixture straight into that, and then firmly press it down to make sure that it holds its shape, and then let it harden for 4 to 5 hours or until it's completely hardened and it's not stretchy and gooey anymore. Once it's hardened, you should be able to cut it up nicely into even squares. I also drizzled some melted chocolate over mine because I really like the extra chocolate, but you don't have to. You can enjoy them as is. And that's it. Enjoy.